Hi everyone, I just want to share a couple of junk journal supply kits that I have listed in my Etsy shop. There's two of them available, so I'll show you this one first, and this will come wrapped in just in a plastic pocket to protect it. I couldn't fit everything in, so you've got two botanical pages there to use, and this is about a 50-piece paper pack. So I'll just get that out. It will be wrapped in a nice long piece of seam binding that you could use if you were making a journal. And these packs are ideal if you just want to add some more papers to your stash, or if you're looking for some more papers to make a journal. So we'll start at the back here. So I've got two sheets that come from a UK atlas. They both have a little flap there. Then we have, oops, I can get hold of it. Three of these double-sided sheets, which are from a bird book, which they have a lovely image there, full page image. Also, these could be used in glue books. They make great pieces that you can cut up for that sort of thing. So that's another double one. And this is the other one. Oh, that's the one I did show you, that one. Some really very nice bird images. So then we've got some Edith Holden, a big double page there. And then we've got another, this is from a bird book. It's another double page. This is from a nature, it's actually a children's nature book. So you've got some more double pages there. Lovely watercolour illustrations. And then we've got two of these small botanical pages that come from the Observer book of flowers. Then we have some dictionary pages from a children's illustrated dictionary. So you've got some nice little black and white drawings. Got four text pages. These are from a fairly modern novel, but they've got they're quite a nice paper. Then this is from a book, I think it's called the Shell Country book, which we've got two double pages again. So you've got some very nice black and white illustrations. Then you get two small paper bags, two of the jumbo manila tags that you can collage on. We've got one alteration tag, two of these really nice craft envelopes, two coin envelopes. This is a playing card from Qantas Airlines. And then there's four of these. These are actually adhesive stickers. So you just just got the white backing on them that you peel off, and a little envelope. So that's the first kit. Just move that out of the way. And then this is the second kit. This is, so you get one large music sheet paper. This one is a bit different from the other one. So with this one, you've got a double Edith Holden page, a time card, then you've got some shorthand book pages from a very old Pitman's shorthand book. These are very delicate, but they would be good for collaging. You've got the double page from that bird book. 2 double pages. These are again from that children's nature book. And then we've got, in this white paper bag, we've got some other little items. So we've got another botanical page there. Sorry if you can hear my dog barking. As usual, she started barking as soon as I start recording. So you've got a nice piece of lace there. A sewn ruffle, fabric ruffle that is, a piece of vintage doily, 2 little tea bags that you can use for pockets. This is a little stamped, it's a fairy image, it's been stamped onto a piece of calico. I've got another little piece of like embroidery type fabric that you can use for a pocket. 2 white paper doilies. This is a small envelope that's been ink sprayed. That's a tea-dyed index card. Lovely piece of lace there that has a flower design on it. And we've got a little glassine bag here. And that you get a couple of postage stamps. It's actually another flower inside there that didn't come out. So there's 4 little flowers all together. And 3 buttons. And this kit actually comes with a small traveller's notebook journal. I didn't put any tea-dyed paper in this journal. It's just, it only has 11 pages in it. So you've got a Tim Holtz cardstock cover. Then we've got a little card here that I made. This has a little vellum window in it and it has a botanical image behind it. So it's just a few pages. You can just, you know, use this for collaging, writing. You can, it's 8 1/4 by 4 1/4, so you can put it inside your Midori's or faux dories. And there's some fairy cards from Mrs. Cogg's Crafts. Another little fabric ruffle. This is some ledger type paper. This is a piece of craft paper. It's actually come from a paper bag. You've got a little pocket there for some extra storage and a couple more cards. Another pocket there. Fabric pocket with another card. Another pocket on the back with another fairy card. So that's the second kit. Okay, so that's the 2 kits, and they'll both be in my Etsy shop when this video goes up. So thanks for watching, and speak to you again soon. Bye.